Hello, my fellow collectors. Good day. This is Red Apple 921 again, and welcome back to my channel. And today, I'm going to share with you one of my favorite Funko Pop animation line. And the figure that I'm going to share with you is Popeye. But before we do the unboxing, let's take a quick glance at the artwork of the box. Here you can see the Pop animation, Popeye, number 369. You can see here the 2D promo picture of the figure. And here you can also see the iconic signature window display box of the Pop. And here you can see the special Funko Specialty Series limited edition. I believe this Pop is I think the Funko Pop Specialty Series is made every month, releases every month. One Pop and one Dorbs, and this is exclusively to the manufacturers, many faithful and small retailer. This is only available. Then on the other side, Popeye. You can see the forehead of Popeye. Popeye at the back. The whole body, the 2D front picture, the whole body. Here you can see the background, a backdrop of a can of spinach. Top and the bottom. Now guys, let's start unboxing for an instant, speedy, and swift unboxing. Let's do the snap! Ta-da! Now, let's take a closer look at the figure. Bali, this is Popeye. Popeye is introduced in 1929. And created by Elise Chrysler Cigar, and it started in the newspaper, yung cartoon strip. And well, Popeye is a pugnacious, wisecracking cartoon sailor who possesses superhuman strength after ingesting an always handy can of spinach. Now, let's take a closer look at the figure. Here you can see the iconic big head of the Pop. Then you can see instead of two round black eyes, it's only one. As you know, Popeye, the other side of his eyes is wink. I don't know why. Maybe he has a damaged eye. Or I like the detail of the hat. The detail of the face. You can see the wrinkle. The pipe. Popeye always has a pipe on his mouth, in his mouth. Now, let's take a look at the body. You can see the signature tattoo of Popeye on his left arm. Popeye is holding a can of spinach. Once he ingested the can of spinach, he became strong. I like the sailor's uniform, combination of black, red, and yellow, and blue. Also like the detail of the can of spinach. You can read the spinach word on the can. As you can see, the green spinach like the detail. Popeye is holding a can of spinach. Popeye also has a anchored tattoo on his right arm too. Look at the sailor costume of Popeye. So nice. Like the combination. By the way, the Funko Pop specialty started in 2016. It started with Cosmo representing the Funko Pop Guardians of the Galaxy. Until now, it continues. So guys, I like the detail. It is a great addition to my collection. So I guess that's it, guys. Please don't forget to share, like, and subscribe to my channel so that you can get an update. Until next time, thanks for watching. Please stay safe and God bless.